Welcome to our June Tablescape. Happy Flag Day. I don't know why I struggled a little bit with coming up with a theme and a story idea for this month's Tablescape. You know, I often say that it's not enough to have a pretty tablescape, but it's more important, I think, and more compelling to have a layered tablescape that really tells a story about a holiday or a special occasion. And so I was thinking I didn't want it so close to like July 4th, but then I was thinking it's Flag Day. It's also Bill's birthday, my brother's birthday. But I was thinking blue, I don't know why, for June, because the hydrangeas are in bloom and the roses, and Flag Day is so important. And I found these terrific placemats that combine the hydrangeas and the flag that were natural here, and I could use so much of my chinoiserie, which I absolutely love, and I know Allison, my friend from school in Switzerland, she loves it too. And we have so much of it that decorates our homes, but it just seems to combine sort of the natural garden look with some sense of sophistication. And I got to use my Lennox peacock place settings also, and then you could see the little chinoiserie that are the name cards. And then just with using roses from the garden and repurposing things that I've had, I just think it's so happy and very patriotic, sort of at this time of the year in our lives, that we need something that's very uplifting and fun. So you can see it's like a brilliant red, white, and blue, all flags going. I use lots of our blue accessories. There's a layering with the placemats here, the chargers, and then the plates. Lots of blue Italian glass, both for the wine glasses and the water glasses. And I love those little firecrackers that you can open up. People love them. They always have some surprise at the end of a meal. Then I stood some on it in the back. But I hope you agree that this is like a really fun, happy, patriotic tablescape. God bless America.